Hello, my name is Damian Hutchings and I'm the Senior Electrical Tutor at JTL's Oxford Training Centre. I teach electrical apprentices who are in years 1 and 2 of their training, and I've worked for JTL for 5 years. What I enjoy most about my job is working with the apprentices and seeing them achieve, especially if it's a subject that they've been struggling with. I get great satisfaction from seeing the penny drop and watching them as they begin to understand the subject that is being taught. Then to see them progress to the stage where they're instinctively applying that knowledge is the best feeling for me. To be an effective tutor, I believe you need real empathy and understanding with the learners. I can remember what it was like to be an apprentice and to not understand a subject or to get a practical task wrong. However, it's not just about the apprenticeship. I believe that the biggest impact on an individual's ability to learn is their personal life. If you can have empathy for somebody, regardless of their age, who's trying to make their way through their life, you'll find they'll be much more open to learning from you. The national lockdown in England changed the way that I teach in that all lessons had to go online. However, I'd already integrated Google Classroom into my teaching practices, and the apprentices were efficient and confident in using this platform. However, delivering to a computer screen and an empty classroom did take some getting used to. The teaching methods I've used during the pandemic have not changed. Yes, I've had to use different tools like Google Classroom, and I've had to change some of my resources and adapt them for the platform. But good teaching and learning practices work regardless of the delivery method. Whilst teaching online, I try to ensure that my students had the best learning experience, firstly by outlining the expectations of online learning. They knew what to expect from me and what I expected of them, and they did all react positively to this. I then tried to vary the lessons as much as possible. It was inevitable that I would have to use PowerPoint, but I did intersperse this with videos, research projects, assignments, multiple choice tests, written questions and oral questions. Using a variety of these teaching methods helped engage all learners and identify any that needed extra help and support. This resulted in very high levels of attendance to the lessons and it helped ensure that all learners achieved a positive learning outcome. My aspirations for my learners is for them to succeed in all they do, both professionally and personally. Seeing this happen is the most satisfying part of my job. The advice I would give to anyone who's thinking of becoming a tutor at JTL is to embrace your job role. You may be a qualified electrician or a qualified plumber, but that is no longer your profession. You are now a professional tutor, and this comes with a totally different skill sets and totally different requirements. The more you embrace that, the more successful you will be.